I just saved $6,000 a year by ditching my $500 a month AWS server for a free AI server from Oracle. I know what you're thinking: how can a free server possibly keep up with the demands of my real estate investing business? I've been using AI to automate my wholesaling operations in Detroit for over a year now, and I've tried just about every cloud service out there. But before I dive into why I made the switch, let me tell you, it's been a game changer for my business. I was spending over $6,000 a year on my AWS server, and it was starting to eat into my profit margins. I was making around $80,000 a month in revenue, but after paying for the server, marketing, and overhead, my net profit was around $20,000. I knew I had to find a way to cut costs without sacrificing performance. That's when I started looking into alternative cloud services. I tried Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and even IBM Watson, but they all had one thing in common: they were expensive. I was about to give up when I stumbled upon Oracle's free AI server. But here's the part nobody talks about: Oracle's free server is only free for the first 12 months, after that it's $300 a month. Still, it's a fraction of what I was paying for AWS. I was skeptical at first. How could a free server possibly keep up with my demands? I was using my AWS server to run complex algorithms and machine learning models to analyze the Detroit real estate market. I was processing over 10,000 data points a day, and my server was handling it with ease. But when I made the switch to Oracle, I was surprised to find that it was actually faster and more efficient. I was getting around 500 requests per second on my AWS server, but on Oracle, I was getting over 700 requests per second. That's a 40% increase in performance, and it was all thanks to Oracle's advanced AI technology. I was able to process more data, faster, and with greater accuracy. It was a revelation, and it's changed the way I do business. I'm now able to analyze the market in real time and make decisions based on data rather than intuition. But here's the part that really got me: Oracle's free AI server comes with a ton of built-in tools and features that make it easy to get started. I was able to set up my server in under an hour, and I was processing data in no time. I didn't need to hire a team of engineers or consultants. I was able to do it all myself. And the best part, Oracle has a huge community of developers and users who are always willing to lend a hand. I was able to find answers to all my questions online, and I was even able to connect with other users who were using the server for similar purposes. So, if you're like me, and you're tired of paying thousands of dollars a month for a cloud server, I highly recommend checking out Oracle's free AI server. It's a game changer, and it's going to save you a ton of money. Here are the steps you need to take to get started. First, head over to Oracle's website and sign up for a free account. It takes about 5 minutes, and you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. Next, you'll need to set up your server. This takes about an hour, and you'll need to choose the type of server you want and the amount of storage you need. Third, you'll need to install the Oracle AI software. This takes about 30 minutes, and you'll need to follow the instructions on the Oracle website. Fourth, you'll need to configure your server. This takes about an hour, and you'll need to set up your database and your machine learning models. And finally, you'll need to test your server. This takes about 30 minutes, and you'll need to make sure everything is working as expected. But here's the part that's going to blow your mind: Oracle's free AI server is not just for tech experts, it's for anyone who wants to automate their business. I'm a real estate investor, not a tech expert, and I was able to set up my server and start using it in no time. I'm now able to focus on what I do best: finding and flipping houses in Detroit, rather than worrying about my server. I'm making more money than ever before, and I owe it all to Oracle's free AI server. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level and start using AI to automate your operations, I highly recommend checking out Oracle's free AI server. It's a game changer, and it's going to save you a ton of money. And if you're looking to get started in real estate investing, I recommend checking out my website, nationbuyshouses.com. I've got a ton of resources and information on how to get started, and I'm always happy to help. You can also give me a call at 313-800-9790. I'd love to chat with you about your business and how you can use AI to take it to the next level.